would have thought that John Abraham and Saif Ali Khan would have a bromance going? I mean, remember the history, right? Once upon a time, Saif's now wife Kareena Kapoor hated John Abraham. Yada yada yada. In any case, from fitness tips to their mutual love for Anil Kapoor, belt up because these two are taking you for one heck of a ride.
I think everybody drools in Saif. Every woman out there loves him, and yeah. I think Saif's good at adjectives. Let's give him the adjective.
Can't say on camera. Sexy ditzy. Dexy. Fruity.
You know, Saif being his coolest best is a very important part of race.
No, I'll take that as well. But did you say this also 7-10 years ago?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Seems like a somewhat diplomatic answer as well. It was great working with John. There was fitness, a lot of bronzer on set during the songs.
You're like the acclaimed hunks of B-Town, so the casting seems like rather perfect.
Yeah, okay, we take that. I'll take that. Thank you.
Saif is probably the coolest, suavest guy around in the way his demeanor, his personality.
John, why is it that your girl, or for that matter, Akshay's girl in Race, is drooling out on Saif?
I think everybody drools in Saif. Every woman out there loves him, and
What is it that actually got you boys to actually bond on the sets? Was it the biking lessons? Was it the gymming, the fitness?
I think it was Anil Kapoor.
Well, he's very positive and his whole philosophy is very sorted. He considers it a privilege to be allowed to act.
But the girls in the film are... Anil Kapoor seems to be a favorite.
Seems like a somewhat diplomatic answer as well.
He'll take that.
Yeah, he'll take that. He'll take that. And he deserves it.
Saif in Race 2.
Suave, cool.
John in Race.
Hunky.
Your favorite Saif's on-screen avatar, what would that be?
I'd say Omkara.
I like John in Garam Masala also very, very much. And so did Ibrahim and I. My son watched it together. And he sang that song from town, John, to back to Lokanwala. Just that same song. It drove me mad.
Deepika.
Deepika's she's sexy.
Leggy.
Leggy is the right word, yeah. I think Saif's good at adjectives. Let's give him the
That's
adjectives.
That
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. Sexy.
Yeah.
Amisha.
Sexy ditzy. Dexy.
Fruity.
The raciest thing that you guys must have done in your life, what would that be? Anything racist?
Can't say on camera. I drove a car on a NASCAR track once, really fast. But and you had to take that bend at like 100 miles an hour or something. I was very scared to do it.
Well, I bungee jumped, and if that's racy,
That's
then
fully
it is.
racy. I can't do that.
Yeah.
The kind of car that you boys would want to drive, the favorite one. What would
Well, I have a gypsy, and I enjoy it.
Did you say this also 7-10 years ago?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I just remembered. I just
Always
remember you're
love
back
that.
there.
Yeah, I'm back there.
be the prankster of the pack?
I think John has a practical
We had a few pranks.
side to him.
We had a shot. I mean, we were doing a song with Jackie. I told Ahmed we'll play this prank on Jackie when she's close to me. I'm gonna just tell me to lick her face. And she was like, so she came out and said, saying, what am I supposed to do? And so Ahmed said, nothing. John's gonna just lick your face. And she was like, oh, okay. I've got some makeup. So it was just a joke. And it's had a great time.